Hello everyone, I am Hema Sati Sharma and student. We are discussing the chapter called Stars and the Solar System for class 8th. We have already discussed the celestial bodies like moons, various phases of moons. We have discussed the stars, the constellations. We have discussed about the sun. We have discussed about various planets. The 8 planets, and we have also discussed about satellites, and we have discussed about asteroids. In today's lecture we are discussing the comets. So comets are also celestial bodies. Why they are celestial bodies? Because they are present in the space and they revolve around the sun in highly elliptical or circular orbits. So comets are also revolving around the sun in a particular orbit. It looks like as if it has a bright head. So you can observe this bright head here. This is the head of the comet, and the tail which keep growing in size. This is the tail, and this tail will grow in size as this comet will approach the sun. Now we'll discuss meteors. What are meteors? Meteors are also celestial objects because they are present in space, and these are the small objects that sometimes enter the earth atmosphere. So we have heard many times that the meteor is going to collide with earth atmosphere and all. So it occasionally enters the earth atmosphere with very high speed. So you know that there is no air in the space, so there is no friction. But as soon as this meteors sometimes occasionally enters the earth atmosphere with very high speed, what will happen? Due to the friction of the earth atmosphere, the heat will be developed, or heat will be formed, and this meteor will glow and then evaporate quickly. So that is why the bright streak lasts for a very short time. This we say shooting star. Meteors are also called shooting stars. Now meteoroids are what? Meteoroids, these are the leftover objects that reaches the earth. So what is happening? Meteor is the celestial object which occasionally is coming to the earth atmosphere, and because of the earth friction it start glowing or it start burning and it evaporates quickly. So there are rare chances that any of the part of the meteor will reach the earth surface. But if any part of the meteor is left, it is not burned and it has reached the earth, it will call meteoroid. So this is the difference between meteor and the meteoroid. Meteoroid is the leftover part of the meteor which reaches the earth. Now these meteoroids help scientists in investigating the nature of the material from which the solar system was formed. So this completes our full chapter of stars and the solar system. Hope you have understood the chapter well. Thank you so much.